let's go here again to, let's say let's say section and dev. That's dev, yes. Here, let's refresh like this. See, they both have like these. Okay, we can say here, for example, there is too much space in here. Okay, right now for like the display. Okay, so let's leave like here a comment and of border, and then close the comment like this. Okay, and here right now, like for the display, let's say, for example, I already showed you this, like display. We can say, for example, see, there's like a lot of options. Okay, let's first go with block. Okay, so I'm gonna show the element as a block. When we're gonna go here, let's, for example, put like width, so you can see the difference. So let's say how much? Let's say again 400 pixels. Okay. See, it's gonna stay the same. We can say, for example, here, let's say inline block. Okay, we can also say like inline block like this. We're gonna refresh. It's gonna be like see, in the same line or in the same place. If we said there's, when it comes to inline, there is just inline, for example, itself like this. We can say, see, inline. What else? See what happened with inline here. See, because we said like the width didn't respect that. For example, if we removed even like this one, let's refresh back. I want to show you something. See how it becomes? Okay, let's add the inline again. All right, anyway, let's say inline flex, for example. Or first thing to show you flex. Yes, first let's use flex like this, and then go back up, refresh. Okay, this is flex. See, this is flex. What else? There is grid like this. Let's go back up. Okay, this is a grid. There is what else? Like contents. Yes, here. No, hold on. Yes, this one. We're gonna go back up, refresh. All right. What else? There is inline like flex. Refresh, and then we're gonna see it become inline flex. Okay. See, with inline block, the title was on the top. Right now, see, it's on the side. We can also use inline grid like this. Refresh. Right now, it's an inline grid. We can also use what else? We can also use, let's say, if we had a table, we could use like inline table like this. See, but it doesn't really change much. What else? This is usually for the table, you know, like when you create here like a table, like a table tag like this. This is usually what we use like inline table for. Let's see, what else? There's also, you know, there's a lot of others. For example, like for menus, you know, there's like a list item. For example, when I like list an item like from the menu, there is what else? There's like run in, like display either like the element like either as a block or a context. I'm sorry, I mean block or inline, like depending on the context. What else? There is also like table. There is like here. See, hold on. Let's me remove this. You can. I think the ID actually will display as like the options. Yeah. See, there is inline, block, flex, flex box, table, list, item, none. Here none. It's not going to display anything. If we go here, see, it displays here nothing. There's also like a similar option. It's like visibility like this. Visibility, and we're gonna say hidden. See, like this. If we remove this one right here, and here, for example, let's go add like another paragraph. Let's say PR, and we're gonna say P like this. Hello, 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 or okay, like this, and then refresh. See, it reserved the space, but it's not there. But here, see, there is that hello rows here. Okay, but see the space didn't go. For example, go back and change from visibility to display like this, go back up, it's not gonna reserve the space. See, the space is gone. Even though if we go like to inspect, it's still gonna be in there. Inspect is not working for me again. Hold on, let me restart the browser. All right, it's working now. Hopefully, yeah, it's working. See, the section in the dev is here, also with visibility. But with visibility, it's like they are working, but they're just not displayed, okay? But their space is still gonna be there. All right, let's see. So yeah, this is like for display, okay? So you know, it depends what kind of like option you need, what you wanna use it for. Obviously, I usually recommend like everyone, you know, especially for beginners to use like W3 School. It's like feature rich, you know. There is a lot of things you can learn from there. Also, like they have a place where you can practice, obviously, you know, and see how if like each thing works. Okay, what usually, you know, the most common thing that people use here or developers use like in this display property, they usually use block, you know, flex, what else? They use grid, inline box, inline flex. That's all they use usually, or inline table sometimes, but you know, or none also. But the rest really it's just, but there is, you know, some of developers obviously that use it. Anyway, let's remove display. What else? We can also use like float. Float in CSS, it says, you know, or it defines or specifies, you know, whether an element like should be let's say float, let's say to the left, to the right, or not at all, you know. Let's try. There's like three options. There is none, there is left, and there is right. Okay, like this, like float. Hold on, my bad. Float like this, and there is none like this. Hold on, I can actually show you here. See, there is left, right, and none. Okay, so we're gonna say here, let's say left, for example. Okay, if we go here, refresh, let me see how they are to the right, and this thing still fit in there. If we said right and go back up, say hello, right now it's on the other side. What else? Let's see. Let's remove this one here and put only dev. Let's see. See, right now there is hold on, wait, we need actually to define these here. Let's say here, let's call this dev like 2 or 3 dev like this, so we can see which one that's okay. See, this is the dev, and everything here, see, they are on the left, and here you can see the CSS is not affected because here I don't have like anything for section, okay, despite the background color. Anyway, we can say here again, like we can say none like this. If we refresh, see, everything's gonna go back to normal. All right, there's also initial, but initial is just, you know, like the default value. Okay, so okay, let's skip here, for example, let's say right, or let's say left, like this, keep it like this. Let's check one more time. Okay, if we go back, okay, keep here like section, and because so we can like use it like for next. Okay, anyway, let's go here right now like for the fonts. Okay, so float is very simple. Okay, okay, for fonts you can see here, hold on, I used font family. Okay, and they said here like you can use one. For example, let's say if we said here like hold on, like Arial like this, we're gonna go save, refresh, see that like it changed to Arial. Here, why it's always recommended that you use like more than like 3 or at least more than 2 like fonts. This is called like this is called like, you can use, for example, let's say the first one, you can use any anything you want. Let's say, for example, let's go here, let's choose like some font. There is like a lot of fonts. For example, in here you might choose, let's say you bought a font online, okay, and then you want to install this font like on your website, okay, or something like this. So the point is that font, like there is a chance that this might not be the user, let's say the person who's gonna go to your website, they might not have the same font, okay. So to avoid any issues, for example, let's choose anything here. Let's choose this fantasy, okay, like this. So hold on. Right now, what we can do here is we can go ahead and use like other fonts with it. For example, let's say here, what should we use? Hold on. Let's say fantasy, and we're gonna say like Arial, like this, okay. Save, and then we're gonna go up. See, it's gonna be fantasy. But if, for example, say go to your website and I don't have this fantasy installed on my computer, you know, or let's say something like that, then it's gonna like fall back to Arial, okay. Other like, or for example, I don't have Arial, but Arial is like the most web safe font. It's installed on almost all the like electronics there is. That is like the default font on all almost, okay, all electronics. What else? And then if there is no like Arial, it's gonna fall to Helvetica, okay. And this is like sans serif is the family where there is Arial in this Helvetica. All right. We can also like font also has like other properties despite for example, we can also say here, let's say font, hold on, font like this, and then here we can say what, let's say 20 pixels like this. Hold on, 20 pixels, and then let's go up. See, the text is gonna become bigger. This is also called like shorthand when it comes like to fonts. Okay, so let's remove this one and put it back again to family. Okay, we can also use like this, like font size. See, like this font size, and then we can choose like how we want it to be. Let's put like larger. What else? We can also say like here, like font style, like with the borders, remember? Font style, let's say there is like normal, then it's gonna stay normal, you know, there's nothing like magic there. There is italic, like this, to make the text italic, okay? If we go up, the text is gonna become italic. If we, let's remove this larger because it's making the text look so big. See, it made the text italic. And when it comes to this font size, there's like a lot of other options. You can obviously use like pixels, you can use percentage, you can use, let's say, hold on. See, there is like X small, like XX large, there is XX small. This is like the smallest there is. So we can go here. See, text becomes so small, you can barely see it. Okay, all right. Let's remove the font size here. For italic, there is also like another like option, like another value called oblique. Okay, like this, like oblique. Oh, hold on. Let's remove this one here and here. Okay, like this. Oblique is like is very similar to italic, but you know it's like less supported. Like see, there's like really not much difference there. What else? We can also use like instead of style, we can use like variant here. Hold on. And here, like variant, we can use normal. We can use, let's say, small caps. Let's go back up and refresh. See, everything in here become like you know, like small caps. Okay, like cap, like small letters. I'm sorry, I mean capital letters. My bad. What else? There is also like normal in there, you know, like we can go here and say normal. like this, and refresh. See, everything's gonna go back to normal. There is font weight also, like font weight like this. Let's say we can put, for example, let's say thickness, you know, for example, let's say normal like this, or we can see normal, or we can say, let's say for example bold or bolder like this. See, there is like lots of options. If we go here, see, like there's a lot of options like bold, lighter, normal, etc. Okay, refresh. Actually, we're already like over 37 minutes. I guess we'll have to cut this video. Okay, let's see. All right. Let's see what else. We can also actually like use our own font. Like I said, if you're using like a font, for example, say that you bought online, okay, and you want to use it, we can use a rule that's called font face. I don't have really any font. Let's go. Hold on. Let's go to Google here. Like there is like Google fonts. Let's use this robot, or no, let's use this one right here. Hold on. Let's say select style. Hold on. All right. Let's see. Let's remove it here. Hold on, because I don't have. Because I don't see the download here, like the download button, because I'm not sure why. Ah, yeah, it's here. You can say download family. Okay. Or actually, we can just use actually like, let's say we can use just like a font that's that we can like that's you see like this, like straight from the web. Let's see. Let's choose something that's okay. Let's go with this one. Let's see. Ah, yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, let's refresh again. I think, yeah, okay. Like this one here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so here we can, for example, go here inside like font face. Hold on. No, this is at font face. At font face, and here see font family, and here you can give it a name. Let's say for example my own font like this. We can go here and put in the link. Okay, let's then go let's put it on the top. Okay, so we can use it. Let's put it here. Okay, that's good. Then when we're gonna go here, let's say font family, you can use my own font. Okay, like this. Let's remove this one right here. Okay, refresh. Let's use like our own font, the one we downloaded. Okay, let's I think I name is PM. Okay, this one. Let's refresh, see if it's working. Okay, great. Right now, see, it's working. So you need to make sure, of course, that the font is, uploaded to your the font that is uploaded to your own server, or obviously like somewhere where it can be like accessed. Let's see. If we refresh this one again. Okay. Anyway, let's go back again. And we can create, like this, like with the rest. What else? There is also, for example, we can go here. Hold on. Like here, we're gonna say like line, and let's say for example line height. Okay, like this, and let's say 60 pixels. Save, and then go back up. See how much space there is. Let's say, for example, let's lower it. Let's say 10 pixels. Okay. See, if we said, let's say 30 pixels. Okay. Okay, and so on. It's like this shrinks the font. Okay, we can use pixels obviously, or like a percentage. Let's say 20 like percent. Okay, look what's gonna happen. See, like it shrank the text together. Even see if we made it like big. See. All right. I think that's it for the fonts.